You did? Look, when you see Ridge again, would you please tell him that it is absolutely imperative that he call me right away? Thank you. Damn it, he's avoiding me. Ridge?
Expecting someone else?
No, come in. Now, do you want to tell me what is going on?
You're talking about what
No,
happened.
you know damn well what I am talking about, Ridge. Your entire family thinks we're getting married, and we're not. We most certainly are not.
Lighten up, Doc. We're not under nuclear attack here.
Oh, you are.
Oh, come on. Don't you find the humor in any of this?
In what? That I'm being bulldozed into a man who's in love with another woman? No, I don't find any humor in that, Ridge, and you'd better find a way to get us out of this.
You're really tortured by all of this.
Well, I should be.
Why? We haven't even said the magical words yet.
Look, maybe it doesn't bother you that the entire city thinks we're engaged when we're not.
You're right, it doesn't.
Well, there's where we have one great big difference, because it bothers me enormously.
Would it bother you any less if I were to tell you
Ridge, don't even say it.
that... You don't even know what I was going to say.
You were going to say, would it bother me less if there really was going to be a marriage?
Would it?
It's pointless. There isn't going to be a marriage because it's not what you want.
Speak for yourself, Doc.
Why did you do this? I mean, you of all people should know that you can't pressure me into marriage.
It's kind of like a snowball tumbling downhill, and suddenly it's bigger than you can handle.
I suggest you handle it now, then.
Let me ask you this. What if I could convince you that I'm sincere?
Sincere?
Yes, that you're wrong. That I do want to marry you.
Oh, I'm not questioning your sincerity, Ridge. I believe that you probably do want to marry me.
Then what's the problem?
The problem is the reason you want to marry me. It's the wrong reason.
No, it isn't.
It isn't love. That's the only right reason in my book.
What if I were to tell you that I do love you?
As much as I'd like to hear that, it really doesn't make any difference. Because I know what's going on inside of you. You're hurting for Brooke. Hurting very badly. And this would be a good way to take away that hurt. Tell me if I am not at least close to the truth.
No, Doctor, you didn't.
Come on, don't deny this. It's Brooke you want, but it's me you're settling for.
Dr. Hayes, I'm surprised at you. You certainly don't seem to think very highly of yourself.
I don't when it comes to you. And I blame myself for that. So the best way for me to deal with this is just to stay away from you. And at least this talk about marriage. Rich, I'm asking you, please, will you end this? I want you to talk to your family and your friends and everybody who knows about this. Just tell them it was a bad joke. And do it quickly. If you care anything at all about me, you'll do this quickly. Please come back. I can't let you leave like this.
I don't want to leave like this.
Well, Rich, it's really a simple question. Do you love Brooke or not? Just give me a yes or a no.
Doc, let me ask you a simple question.
No, don't do it. Don't answer one of my questions with one of your own.
All right. Yes, I do love Brooke.
Then why did you ask me to marry you?
And I loved Caroline once. I still do. And Brooke, and you. And I bet you still love your first husband.
That's different. You want Brooke. You want her more than you want me or anyone. And I don't want Blake that way. There's only one person I save that feeling for. And that is you.
Taylor, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to say? Do you want me to apologize for the feelings I have?
No, I want you to acknowledge them.
And I have.
Then you ought to be able to see why I cannot marry you.
Come on, we both know it's possible to love more than one person.
But you only marry one, Ridge. Just one.
Yes.
Would it be Brooke if she were available?
That's a crazy question. Brooke isn't available.
It's not crazy.
Then why don't you ask me if I'd still be married to Caroline if she was alive? Because the answer is yes. But she's gone, and so is Brooke. Logan is in love with my father. She's married to my father, and I will never have her again, ever.
So then I'm supposed to accept you this way?
Taylor, it's not like I don't have feelings for you.
Enough to marry me?
Yes. Enough to marry you. Look, what's the difference who we used to be involved with? All we have is now. It's you and it's me now. You and me.
Rich, can you promise me that you would never leave me? Even if someday Brooke were to become available again.
But she isn't. My dad loves her.
And she loves you, Rich. Make me the promise. And I'm yours. Promise me that. Can you swear to me that you'll be loyal and faithful, even if someday Brooke becomes available? I need to hear you say that before I can marry you.
Taylor.
Reg, I just want to hear it. Indulge me, please. Just say it. You can't, can you?
Tell whoever it is to go away.
No. No, Rich, because you're leaving, and you're leaving right now. Blake.
Hi.
Please, come in. Rich was just leaving. Goodbye, Rich.
Doc.
I said goodbye.
You heard the lady, didn't you?